2025 Mazda CX-90. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, third-row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.